Hello everyone and student. So now we can study about some verbs. The verbs in the present. Example: I am. In the past, I was. I have. In the past, I had. I do. In the past, I did. I go. In the past, I went. I made. In the past, I made. I come. In the past, we say I came. I talk. In the past, we say I talk, but we add ed. I speak. In the past, we say I spoke. I buy. In the past, I bought. I sleep. In the past, we say I slept. I fear. In the past, I fear. Okay, so now we finish study about the verbs in the present or the phrase in the present. When it to the past, it change, right? It change. So the point of study grammar today we finish. So short for some students that want to study, easy to remember, right? Okay, thank you for your watching.